Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel 0 to Infinity. I am Vinita and I hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to our exciting science world. Today we are going to talk about something that is always happening around us. Something you see every day but probably don't think much about it. Motion. Yes, motion. Let's dive in. What is motion? Simply put, motion means movement. Motion refers to the change in an object's position with respect to a reference point. So, when something changes its position with time, we say it is in motion. For example, a car moving on a road, a bird flying in the sky, you walking to the school. All these are examples of motion. So simply, motion refers to change in object's position with respect to a reference point. Can you see this yellow dot? This is our reference point. Okay? And we have one box placed near this reference point. And this box is changed or moved from here to here, which is the final object's position. So we say that this box is in motion because it's changed its position from its reference point to another place, that is the final object position. That means this box was in motion during some period of time. It can involve changes in distance, direction or both. So whenever there is motion taking place, there can be a change in the distance and direction. Motion is again characterized into various types like linear, circular and periodic motions. So as you can see in this picture, if a truck is traveling straight on the road, then it is in a linear motion. If anything moves in a circular path, it is known as circular motion. And if the motion is repeated in a particular period of time or in a periodic manner, then we call it as a periodic motion. So there are many real life examples of motion like a person walking, a bird flying or a ball rolling. All these are the examples of motion. Even the earth and other planets are continuously in motion as they orbit around the sun. So how do you know that something is moving? When we see an object changing its place compared to other things around it, we know it's moving. So we have many daily examples like a person walking or a bird flying or even our earth and other planets which are revolving around the sun. So all these are in motion. Now let's study about the types of motions. There are three main types of motion. First one is the rectilinear motion. The second is the circular motion. And the third is the periodic motion. Let's study about them in detail. First one is the rectilinear motion. That means rectilinear motion occurs when an object moves in straight line. That means whenever there is an object which is moving in a straight line, then it is in a rectilinear motion. This type of motion can be seen in objects like cars moving on a highway or a ball rolling down a ramp. So these are the examples where the object is in rectilinear motion, that is motion in a straight line, along a straight line. Next we have the circular motion. Circular motion occurs when an object moves in a circular path. So whenever an object is moving in a circular path, then that object is in circular motion. This type of motion can be seen in objects like planets orbiting the sun or a roller coaster going around a loop. So examples are the planets that are revolving around the sun and a roller coaster going around the loop. Can you see this is a roller coaster ride where the train moves all along the circular path? So this is also an example of circular motion. Next we have a periodic motion. Periodic motion occurs when an object repeats a motion over and over again. That means a motion is happening again and again in a certain period of time. This type of motion can be seen in objects like pendulum swinging back and forth or a tuning fork vibrating. So can you see this is a tuning fork? Whenever we hit a tuning fork, it vibrates, and that is an example of a periodic motion. And this is pendulum and this is the bob, and if we pull it aside and leave, it goes to and forth, again to and forth. So this movement in the pendulum where the object is moving to and forth is also an example of periodic motion. So in today's lecture we have studied about the motion and types of motion. Want to hear a fun fact? Do you know that the earth is in two types of motions at a same time? It spins around itself, that is rotation, and it also moves around the sun, that's the revolution. So we are all moving right now, even when we feel like we are standing still. So why is motion important? Motion makes life possible. We travel from one place to another, machines work because of motion, and even blood moves inside our body. Yes, motion happens inside our body too. So friends, motion is everywhere in cars, birds, fans, clocks, and even the planets in space. So understanding motion helps us know how things move, how far they go, and where they are going. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of motion, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fun science videos. Keep learning, keep exploring, and keep moving forward. I'll be seeing you all in the next video. Until then, keep smiling. Bye-bye.